Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and in today's video, which is actually an extra video this week, I will be sharing a new nail polish of the week color. In my nail polish of the week videos, I tend to swatch one random color from my collection and just talk a little bit about it, talk about life, hang out with you guys. So definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me. And yeah, first off, you want to start off with a base. And the one I'm using today is one by Orly. This is the Bonder. It is a rubberized base coat with it actually means that when it dries, it gives a really nice tacky layer for your nail polish color to really grab onto and adhere to. I have to say, I really haven't tried this one a lot yet, but I really do like how fast it dries, and it pretty much makes sure that my manicure lasts an entire week. Not really taking notice of what kind of nail polish color that I am applying on top, so it definitely works with other brands as well. Oh, and for the record, if you're like Femke, you're still sounding like super stuffy, very cold / fluish. That's correct. The stupid thing is, in my life at the moment, I have had a cold since we actually did the whole company move at my regular job, which was the last 2 weeks of March. After that, I've gotten a really bad cold. You might have already noticed that in 2 of my previous videos. So I had a cold for like 1.5 weeks. Then I felt great for like 5-6 days. Then I got a super sore throat, which I explained in my previous video from last Sunday. So that sore throat lasted for like 3-4 days. That was completely gone, so I was feeling great for 2 days. And then yesterday, or the day before, yesterday I woke up with a terrible cold again. And I don't know what's going on. I know it's not Aunt Roni visiting me because I've been testing the crap out of myself, because I just want to make sure I don't make anyone else sick. The positive note is that I actually have 3 weeks off of work, so I have a little vacation / holiday. Not that I'm really like traveling or anything, I'm just staying at home because I'm a homebody like that. So yeah, fortunately I will not make anyone else sick, maybe my husband, but you know, that's like the risk you take while living together. But yeah, that's pretty much the backstory of why I'm still, or actually once again, sounding like poo and just being really stuffy, and it's just really hard to breathe. So if you feel like I'm really little like short breath in this video, that is why I sound a little different as well. Like, I'm really sorry about that. But back to the nail polish color, because I am using one by Essence. This one is called Pretty in Pink. It is number 57. It is actually from their new spring summer collection update. The polishes by Essence are always super affordable. I think this one was below €2. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are safe to use. I am such a big fan, and of course it is a beautiful pink color. Another thing I really wanted to mention is that I actually recorded this video the week of the big old like company move, and my nails were still super long. Like on the last day of my company move, which I actually did a lot of transport for, like I was on a truck like moving and shit. So on the last day I noticed I had a little tear in my middle finger, or at least in the nail, of course. So I had to shorten every single one of my nails. I did keep a lot of them long, so I pretty much only shortened drastically like the middle fingernail. So I patched that with like the teabag method, and it worked out fine. It's already growing back longer, but yeah, that is pretty much why I still have my super long nails in this video, because it is a pre-recorded video and I just simply didn't have time to edit it yet, upload it yet, and so on. So yeah, if you see my nails being shorter in the next video, or even in the previous video, that is why. Then like a week or 2 later, I actually got a tear in my other middle fingernail on my right hand, so I had to shorten that one pretty drastically as well. And then I was like, okay, I'm just going to shorten every one of my nails, like every single one. So I tend to keep my nails on my left hand a little longer because that is pretty much my swatch hand, as you can see right here. But on my left hand, it kind of broke my heart because my nails were so lusciously long, as you can see in the footage of this video, because I hadn't shortened them yet. But yeah, you know, they're just nails. They will grow back. These are my natural nails, for the record. I do get questions about that almost every single day. Like, how can these be your natural nails with that length and still do a super manual daytime job? I just do. I'm just blessed with good, strong nail DNA. Thank you, mom and dad. So yeah, that's a little backstory of like the length of my nails. Ooh, and I really love the manicure I had on my right hand, like with like the super cute glitter and stuff. If you want to know anything about that, or maybe want to see me do that design once again on like press-on nails or something, let me know in the comments down below. All of the gel polish colors that I used on my right hand are by PJR, I think from one of their like newer colored collections. I can't remember, maybe it was like Cyber Dream or something, that collection. You can check out my shorts videos, because I always share gel polish collection as shorts, because I feel like the if I do like a full-on swatch video like I used to do years before, they take up so much time. Like in the time span of recording one of those swatch videos of gel polishes, I could do like 4 regular nail polish videos. So, and also they weren't really watched a lot, and I actually got dropped by one of the gel polish brands that I worked for years. So yeah, I'm a little bit like mad about it, but yeah, you know, stuff happens, and sometimes it's better to say goodbye to brands that are disrespectful to you. So yeah, but what was I talking about? I really can't remember. I'm really feeling like I'm all over the place, and I'm really sorry about that, but you know, that's life, and I like to keep things real here at my channel. So yeah, but you know, I just applied the second layer of the beautiful essence polish. You know, I love pinks. It is just such a gorgeous pink tone. And of course, you want to make sure you wait an appropriate amount of time in between coats, so your nail polish is actually dry before going into the next one. And after your colored coats are fully dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I'm just using a random one by Catrice Cosmetics. Also, these are vegan, cruelty-free, safe to use, and very affordable. I think this one was the quick dry. I tend to grab that one a lot if I'm just going to quickly slap some color on my nails, because it actually does work pretty fast when it comes to drying time. And like longevity wise, I don't really feel like there is a lot I can complain about, but I do have to mention that a lot of my nail polishes actually do last a long time on my nails. But yeah, I do keep in mind that I have long natural nails all the time, so I do work differently with my hands than other people might do with shorter nails. So the only thing that usually happens to my nail polish is just a little bit of tip wear because of my like super manual daytime job. But you know, other than that, it's a pretty nice top coat and it dries fast. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just a little bit in awe with the length of my nails while recording this video, because it is such a nice length. I don't know if it is the longest I've had my natural nails so far, but it comes pretty close to the length I used to have like 4 years ago or something. But yeah, this was pretty much my new extra video. I really hope you like it. I'm really sorry, I'm like super stuffy, sounding like poo and just super rambly and stuff like that, but I just really love making my nail polish of the week videos, and I really hope you like them too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, maybe even video requests, let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.